Hey, in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you a system I discovered on how you can earn 1,000, 2,000, 2,500 a day or more selling products online without ever investing a single dime in inventory. And get this, you'll have an automated system that does this for you every single day, 24/7. My system takes about 5 minutes to set up. In addition to that, you don't need any experience in online sales, and it doesn't matter if you failed in the past, because with this little known system, you'll get immediate results and you can start earning money today. Now, you've seen those simple little ads on Facebook. Now check this out. I found this cat shirt selling on Facebook. They have it on sale for, here you go, $19.95. I found where I could buy the product at AliExpress for only $8.69, and shipping to the USA is only $1.05. This brings my total cost to $9.74, and I can sell it for $19.95, so that doubles my money. Now here's the cool thing. You don't even need to ship these products out to your customers, because I'll show you how to get the manufacturer to do this for you. If you'd like to learn how to do this, even if you're a complete beginner, even if you've never sold anything online before, or even if you've never done any sort of marketing before, but you're looking for a real way to make money online, money now, today, not next week, not next month. If you're interested in learning how to do this and find popular products to sell online, then you need to grab my brand new book where I reveal the exact step-by-step process. Just click the link and grab it. It's only 40 pages and you could download it right now. Heck, you could read it in a single afternoon and be in business immediately. I'll show you how to start a hyper-profitable online e-commerce business that you can operate from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. Even if you've never done anything related to marketing before, you can do this. Time is running out. Make sure you click the link, grab my book, and get started today.